Hi guys, Ken Stone, Ken's IT, here with another print video. I reimagined the cell phone holder, made it taller, wider. So we're going to print that today, see how it comes out, see if my idea works. Um, so we're at the stage of putting it into the computer to slice it. So we'll switch over there. And so this is the holder that I came up with. It's just as tall, it's almost as wide and as tall as, this is as tall, as wide, and depth as the phone should hold it up. Um, so we'll slice it. Okay, looks like we got a good base on it right there. Okay, so we'll save it. Nice. Okay. Excuse me. So we'll take it out, switch camera over to here, put the memory card in. So I'm working out in the yard today. I got bonked on the head trying to put a post in the ground. The pounder came back, hit me. So when you're putting posts in, take your time. On my head, got a couple staples. So be careful when you're out working the yard. So phone, print. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this thing and the magic of fast forwarding stuff. Time editing. We'll make it like a minute or less. Viewing time. Not sure how long it's gonna take to print though, but we'll find out. And get a good view of the whole platform here. So whoops, I'm sitting here viewing it myself. All right, so let's transition to that camera. Camera without my name. There we go. Okay, so we'll just wait for that to refocus. Yeah, just wait for that to print. I'll fast forward it from here. Okay. All right, so we just got done printing there, and we'll see how it goes. Taking out the base. Get a full view over here. And here's cell phone case. Got the charger thing in behind it. It definitely fits in there this time. Not really, but even though it's not really going inside the circle, it really doesn't matter. The point is the phone is up, supported, I could fall over, and that is a success. So awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I've been outside working, so I just came in to check on it. It is up and running, works good. It's not falling over. It's going to be charged. So I'll take that as a success. Success. Transition. Um, sorry, forget the daily view. Been outside working today, so um, it's all set. Um, the measurements worked out good. I had to make it taller and wider, so that was a fail. If you like the video, subscribe, share, come back for another one. I'm going to start working on pulling the laptop together and apart and get some measurements and micro soldering and stuff like this. So we'll work on that next. Um, and if I come up with any more 3D prints, we'll get those out published. All right. Um, thanks for watching.